Here is how you can silence the Facebook notifications on your Android phone. Let me get started and show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. So you need to open up your settings and then scroll through the available menus until you find apps. Right, and when you go to the apps, you can see all of the applications sorted alphabetically, so you should be able to find Facebook like that, and the notifications are at the top. So you can most definitely turn off all of the notifications, but I think even better would be to keep them turned on but switch to the silent type, right? So as you can see in this case, I'm still gonna be getting the notifications, but it doesn't matter if my phone is on a silent or not. These will not make any sounds or noises, so that's actually very useful. So as you can see as well, we have some other options. For example, the types of notifications. For example, on the lock screen, you can decide if they appear or not. So yeah, you kind of have more options on how you can customize it fully. Below, we also have notification categories, so you can as well decide specifically if you only get notified about things like comments or tags, reminders, and so on. Because some people may like notifications of certain types, but there are actually so many of them that you might find it overwhelming. But if you can decide specifically what you're notified about, perhaps you don't even have to set them to silent or whatever. But my point is that you can customize it according to your preference so you can get the most out of it. But I hope it helps. I just wanted to show you where you can find it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.